Going to the car wash. Watching her. I'm looking at the camera watching her. Oh, what a fun, glorious Saturday afternoon. This is my enjoyment, going through the car wash with Zoe. Here it comes. It's almost over. I did the armor on the vacuum out earlier today, and this is just a good car wash I wanted to go through. Going to visit Papa and Francis and Lucky. This sweater is I gotta say it, it's vintage. It's 1970s, early 80s. This little doggy sweater, somebody probably made it, but my great grandmother, whom we called Mama King, her last name was King, she had a little chihuahua named Buffy, and that little doggy, oh my goodness, she was so spoiled. All right, here we go, Zoe. We're going through the dryer. Here we go. I'll tell you about it in a minute. Oh, I can't see. Let me put my new Ray-Bans on. Most expensive pair of sunglasses in my whole entire life I've ever had. My son Jake got them for me. I just said something that one day I'd like to have a pair, because I always wear sunglasses. And next thing I knew, he'd ordered me some, and I love them. They're great. So, only thing is, I gotta go across to the CVS and get 3 quarters. Take them $1 and get some quarters, because I wanted that scent. Whoops, the new car scent. This is where Zoe usually stays, right here. Yeah, I wanted to get some new car scent put in here. I love that scent. Anyway, so how do we want to do? We'll go this way. Yeah, I need to change for $1. So anyways, yeah, this was Buffy's sweater back then. I mean, I wasn't even maybe 5, 6 years old when Buffy used to wear this sweater, and I do not know how, but after my grandmother passed, this was in her house, and I was able to have this. And Zoe wears it from time to time. I gotta go in here and get some change, Zoe. So I hadn't uploaded in a while. This is unedited, but maybe it was boring, but I thought it was hilarious watching Zoe go through there. But yeah, this is normally how she rides right here. And she just loves to look out the window and say bye-bye, Zoe. I hope y'all are having a great weekend. And I will be on tomorrow night, Sunday night. I think it's right at 7 p.m. for new clothing with y'all. And I'll be happy to see you then. Mwah.